Okay, for number 80, they want us to find the inputs for the following functions given the outputs. So again, if the function for A is f of x equals 3x minus 7, and they tell us f of x is -1, I'm going to take the -1 and replace it with the f of x, right? Because it's the output. So now we're trying to find the input, which is the x, right? So I'll add 7 to both sides. And -1 plus 7 is 6 equals 3x. And I'll divide both sides by 3. And I get x equals 2. And I'll always write it with the variable on the left. For the next one, for b, the function is f of x equals the square root of 2x minus 6. And again, I'm going to take the 10 and replace it with for the output, which is f of x. And now the opposite of taking the square root is to square things. So I'm going to square both sides. So I get 10 squared equals, and the square and the square root would cancel on this one, right? So we get that. So I have 100 equals 2x minus 6. I'll add 6 to both sides. I have 106 equals 2x. And I'll divide both sides by 2, right? And I get 53 equals x. So x equals 53.